In this video, we will learn how we can change the color theme in Adobe Express. The following is our image. For the color theme, keep the cursor here and the theme will be visible. Click on it. So we will see what is the actual meaning of a theme. The theme would be meaning that the entire section will get changed, will get updated. I'll show an example. Let's say I'll click on the first one and you can see the entire theme updated. I'll click on the following. Below one, you can see the name: bold, classic, professional, pastel, color pop, modern. Let's say I'll go for the following modern, and it changed completely. It got updated completely. I'll go for the following. You can see updated again, and here it is. You can just update it and you can see this still looks fine. No, not this. You can just click on it here and again, or you can directly click on the complete section, view all, and just select. I guess more than 100 options are available. You can change it and check which one is fine. So you don't need to change it manually, the complete theme. You can just select the options. If you want to go to the first option, just type Ctrl Z and all the options I just saw is visible. I am just typing it again and again. Here it is. I am back with the same one. So this is how you can set the color theme for your entire image. Page theme, you can also search it from here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set the color theme of our image. Thank you for watching the video.